Hello students, today we are going to learn third chapter of Math second, that is triangles. Now in this chapter first we have to see the theorem of remote interior angles. Theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. Now what is the theorem? First we write a statement. Statement: the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. Now here PRS, this angle is an exterior angle of this triangle PQR. Here write the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle. Suppose this is a triangle PQR, this is an exterior angle PRS. Is equal, this angle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. Sum of that is its remote interior angles are angle P and angle Q. Therefore, we have to prove this angle is equal to sum of these two angles. Now here, how we can prove this? First we see, we have given angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. To prove angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. This is to prove. Now we know that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, sum of these three angles is 180 degree. This is equation number 1. And angle PRQ is equal to angle PRS is equal to sum of these two angles is 180. This is angles in a linear pair. Now, by solving these two equations, we can show that this angle is equal to sum of these two angles. Write down, given angle PRS is an exterior angle of triangle PQR. To prove, so we have to prove angle PRS is equal to angle of PQR plus angle QPR. Sum of this angle is equal to sum of these two angles. Now prove. Now we know that sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now write down in proof. In triangle PQR, angle PQR, that is this Q angle plus angle QPR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degree. Write down in bracket angles of a triangle. This is number 1. Suppose this is equation number 1. And from figure we can write also angle PRQ plus angle PRS PRS is equal to 180 degree. Write down in bracket what is the reason. These two are angles in a linear pair. 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 This is number 2. Now here from 1 and 2 right hand sides are equal, therefore its left hand side also equal. Write down from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. Write down left hand sides are equal, that is angle PQR plus angle QPR plus angle PRQ is equal to, right hand sides are equal, therefore left hand sides are equal, that is angle PRQ plus angle PRS. Now here angle PRQ which is added on both sides, therefore this get cancelled. Write down remainings, therefore angle PQR plus angle QPR is equal to angle PRS. That is, now what is to prove? We have to prove that angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. That is, we can write this as angle PRS is equal to angle PQR plus angle QPR. This is the proof. Now write down next point. Property write down next point. Property of an exterior angle of a triangle. Property of an exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. Now we know that if this is PQR, this point is S. That is, PRS is an exterior angle. Now the property is that exterior angle of a triangle is greater than its remote interior angles. Therefore, we can write down if angle PRS is an exterior angle, angle PRS is an exterior angle of a triangle, angle of a triangle PQR. Therefore, this angle PRS is greater than angle this P, and angle PRS is also greater than this angle Q. That is, exterior angle of a triangle is always greater than its remote interior angles. This is the property. Now we see examples in practice set 3.1. Write down practice set 3.1. Practice set 3.1. Now first write down first question. In figure angle ACD, angle ACD, angle ACD is an exterior angle, is an exterior angle, is an exterior angle of triangle ABC, of triangle ABC. Angle B is equal to 40 degree, angle B is equal to 40 degree, angle A is equal to 70 degree. Find the measure of, find the measure of find the measure of angle ACD. Find the measure of angle ACD. Now here we have given figure. Suppose this is given triangle. We have given triangle ABC. ABC. Point D is here. Now let us see from examples. In figure angle ACD, this angle is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. This angle is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. We have given in triangle ABC, angle B is of 40 degree, angle A is of 70 degree. Then we have to find the measure of angle ACD. Now, by using theorem, this is the this angle is equal to sum of these two angles. That is, by using remote interior angles theorem. Write down. First write down given angle ACD. First write down given angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. Of triangle ABC. Therefore, by remote interior angles theorem, interior angles theorem, therefore by remote interior angles theorem, this angle, that is exterior angle ACD is equal to sum of these two angles, that is angle ABC plus angle BAC. Now put values. Angle ABC is 40 degree, 40 plus angle BAC is 70, is equal to 110 degree. This is angle ACD. Now we have to show that here, find the measure of angle ACD. Therefore, measure of angle ACD is equal to 110 degree. This is the answer. Now let us see question number 2. Question number 2. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 70 degree. Angle Q is equal to 65 degree. Then find angle R. Now here we have given in triangle PQR, we have given two angles, that is angle P and angle Q. We have to find this third angle. Now which property we have to use here? Now sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. By using this theorem, this property, we can find value of angle R. Now in triangle, write down, in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Write down in bracket what is the result? Angles of a triangle. Angles of a triangle. Therefore, its sum is 180 degree. Now put values. Angle P is 70 plus angle Q is 65 plus angle R is equal to 180. Take addition of these two. 135 plus angle R is equal to 180. Therefore, angle R is equal to 180 minus 135. Angle R is equal to 45 degree. Therefore, value of angle R is 45 degree. This is the answer. Question number 3. Question number 3. The measures of angles, the measures of angles of a triangle are x degree, x minus 20 degree, x minus 20 degree, x minus 40 degree, x minus 40 degree. Find the measure of each angle. 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 Now here also we have given the measure of angles of a triangle. Now for triangle there are three angles. We have given these three angles. Find the measure of each angle. We know property sum of all angle of a triangle is 180 degree. By using this we can find value of x, and using value of x we can find all these three angles. Now first write down given. Let the angles of a triangle are the angles of a triangle are x degree, x minus 20 degree, x minus 40 degree, x minus 40 degree. This is we have given, therefore write down here. The angles of a triangle are x degree, x minus 20 degree, x minus 40 degree. That is given. Therefore, these are the angles of triangle. Therefore, sum of this is 180 degree. Therefore, x plus x minus 20 plus x minus 40 is equal to 180. Write down in bracket. What is the reason? Angles of a triangle. Angles of a triangle. Now solve in bracket, that is x plus x minus 20 plus x minus 40 is equal to 180. Now here x is 3 times 1, 2, 3, therefore 3x, its addition 3x, minus 20 minus 40 minus 60 is equal to 180. Therefore 3x is equal to 180, minus becomes plus 60. Therefore 3x is equal to 240. X is equal to 240 divided by 3. Now dividing by 3, 80. Therefore value of x is 80 degree. Now first value of x, that is x is 80 degree. Second, x minus 20 is equal to x is 80 minus 20 is equal to 60 degree, and x minus 40 is equal to x is 80 minus 40 is equal to 40 degree. Now let us see here sum of these three angles, that is 60 plus 40 is 100 plus 80, that is 180. Therefore our answer is correct. Therefore write down answer. Find the measures of each angle. Therefore the measures of each angles are 80 degree, 60 degree and 40 degree. This is the answer. Thank you.